Hi everyone! Today I'm going to make Kracie's Goldfish Scooping DIY Candy Kit. Have you ever heard of Kinyo Squee? A classic game at Japanese summer festivals. You use a special scooper called a poi, which has a thin paper net to catch goldfish from a tank. On the back of the package, the instructions are printed. I actually messed up the steps last time, so this time I'm going to follow them carefully. Let's open it up. I'm so excited! Wow! Inside, there are a few packets of powder and a spoon. There are also several trays. Let's cut them apart. Kracie's trays are always so easy to cut. It's honestly impressive. Like this. Look at this! I thought it would just be goldfish, but there are turtles and even a sea otter hidden inside. This little surprise is so fun! Let's cut out the poi too. It looks kind of like a little spoon. First, let's make the goldfish. Pour water up to the line inside the tray. We will start with the blue goldfish. It smells like grape. Such a beautiful blue. So exciting! Mix it well. Now, carefully spoon the mixture into the mold. Last time, I poured it in straight from the tray and it overflowed. It sets pretty quickly, so work fast. Like this? It's so fun! To make sure it reaches the edges, I'll use a toothpick to adjust the shape. Looks good! Next is the orange goldfish. Add water to the tray, then pour in the powder. This one smells like peach. Mix it thoroughly so it doesn't get lumpy. Such a beautiful orange color! Let's use the otter mold this time. I'm so excited! I can't stop smiling. Let's fill the molds before it sets. I'm getting excited! This is so much fun! Looks like it's going better than last time. How's this? Look at that! Shiny goldfish, turtles, otters, even squid are all ready. I'm so excited! Time to prep the poi. Fill a large tray with water. Then add the powder. It smells like soda. Stir to crush the lumps. This must be an important part. Mix well. This should be good. It looks so real. Now, pour water into the square tray up to halfway. This is for the hardening powder. It smells lemony. Mix well. I wonder how it will turn out. The colors are so pretty. Pour water into the tray with the goldfish. So cute! One of them just started swimming. Doesn't it look like a cool little aquarium? Let's remove the shapes from the mold with a spoon. They come out easily. It's so fun! It really looks like they are swimming. This is make me so happy. So cute! Now, let's make the poi. First, dip it in the white liquid. Look, there's really a film forming. Then, dip it in the yellow hardening liquid. After about 30 seconds, it hardens enough for even beginners to scoop up the goldfish. Ready, go! Look, got one! A goldfish! That was easy! Next is the orange otter. Got it! This is way too fun! Yay! Got a turtle too! Catching all these little creatures is so much fun! Look! 3 at once! Oops! The film broke this time. Let's clean up with a tissue and make another poi. Now, I'll try a more advanced version. Let it harden for just 10 seconds. How about the advanced version? Might be tough, huh? How's this? Alright, let's give it a try. I'm nervous. Ready, go! Oops, it broke right away again. Nope, didn't work after all. As expected, the advanced one is hard. Let's make a proper poi again. How's this? Will it work this time? Good job! Let's keep scooping. This is just too much fun. This is fun no matter how many times I do it. It's just like a popular Japanese festival game. Look at that! So refreshing and cute! There are traditional Japanese sweets like this, right? Now, we will add the jelly mix. No scent from the powder. Mix about 20 times. It's getting a little thick. It really looks like they are swimming. Now, we pour in the liquid we used to make the poi. Don't want to waste anything, right? Is this enough? Maybe too much? Let's wait for it to set. Still not firm. I waited a bit, but not much changed, so I poured out a little. And it's done! Look, this cool! Refreshing jelly is complete! Let's taste it! Itadakimasu! It's so sugary and delicious! The flavor is soda and grape. Now, the orange one. Soda and peach. It's amazing! I hope you'll try it too. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!